Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Business Ideas. In this video, we will be talking about risk management. But before we begin, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Now without further ado, let's begin with today's video. We are constantly dealing with risk throughout our lives. To understand risk management, we must first know what is risk. Risk is the uncertainty related to any financial loss organization, whereas the preparation to keep this financial loss as low as possible can be called risk management. In other words, the method of dealing with the risk of something is risk management. Any object can be at risk of damage, such as vehicles, houses, space stations, or crops. Risk management is all about reducing or dealing with existing risks to human life and property. Risk management is mainly divided into three parts, namely: 1. Identification of potential sources of damage. 2. Evaluation of systematic damage results. 3. Choosing the best approach to risk management. Most of us are dealing with them unknowingly during our daily activities. But when it comes to financial markets and business administration, risk assessment becomes a very important and very conscious practice. General risk management strategies. There is no one-size-fits-all approach to risk management. Investors and traders often use a combination of risk management tools and strategies to increase the chances of their portfolios thriving. Below are some examples of strategies that traders use to reduce risk. 1. Objective determination. The first step is to define key goals. This is often related to the risk tolerance of the company or individual. In other words, how much risk they are willing to take to advance their goals. 2. Identifying risks. The second step involves identifying and defining potential risks. It aims to uncover all events that may have a negative impact. In a business environment, this step can also provide insightful information that is not directly related to financial risk. The risks are then ranked in order of importance, which facilitates the creation or adoption of an appropriate system. 4. Define feedback. The fourth step is to define responses for each type of risk according to their level of importance. At this stage, measures to be taken in case of any unfortunate incident are decided. 5. To observe. The final step in the risk management strategy is to monitor its effectiveness in incident response. This often requires continuous data collection and analysis. There are many types of financial risks, which can be classified in different ways. This article provides a general overview of the risk management process. Also discussed here are some strategies that can help traders and investors reduce financial risk. Last word. Before opening a trading position or allocating capital to a portfolio, traders and investors should consider developing a risk management strategy. Still, it is important to remember that financial risk cannot be completely avoided. Risk follows us like a shadow all the time. It is impossible to imagine life without risk. Although it is not possible to completely avoid risk through risk management, it can provide some peace of mind. Whether in personal life or in the corporate world, risk management is very important. Well guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on this? Get involved and let us know in the comments section down below what you think about today's video. If you liked this video and found it informative, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos like these, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you have a great day today, and we'll see you in the next video.